Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their landscape or garden that they're proud of. The email address to participate in this is right here. Just make sure you label the email subscriber photos or something like that, because I get a lot of emails to this account. Also, please turn your phone sideways if you're taking photos with your phone, because YouTube is a widescreen format. Enough of that. Okay, lots of photos were collected in March, and so that's what you're seeing right now in this video. I think it's about 7 minutes of photos, something like that. So thanks everyone for participating. Next weekend, I'm going to return to doing a question and answer video next Sunday. So if you want to ask questions down below this video, I will collect from those for next weekend. I'll just take 12 or 13 questions that make sense for this time of year and or things that I haven't covered before. Again, thanks for participating. I shot several videos this past week, like lots of videos this past week, actually. Several tour videos. You saw the first part of the shade tour in my neighborhood yesterday. Second part should be up very soon. I have a third video coming from those same folks. And then I shot another one, another neighbor over here that has a beautiful collection of camellias. I shot a one-day landscape job, a really small little installation inside of a sidewalk, kind of common space that people have along a foundation where the perfectly angled sidewalk goes around it. So small job, but interesting. I hope that should be up this week as well. So lots of content coming up. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you're alerted when I put up videos. And here are the photos that were sent in March. Thanks again. Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the okay. All right. Cannot talk today. All right, here we go.